Hey everybody, it's me again. I know you've seen me a few times, and I'm once again happy to do a review for John for his new shave butter. Now, John was happy, and John over at OmniShaver was kind enough to send me a sample. And I'm gonna tell you right now, I hadn't smelled it, I hadn't tried it, I hadn't done anything. So I figured y'all would be the first one to see, and I wanted this to be a first impression, honest type of review. So what he sent me was the OmniShave shave butter. There's a bunch of stuff written down at the bottom. You can pause it if you want to. It says scalp conditioning, silky, long lasting, moisturizing, nourishing, wipes clean, and paraben free. Now if anybody knows what a paraben is, let me know. And here's the back label with all the ingredients. A whole bunch of stuff that I can't pronounce. Maybe it'll focus in sooner or later. If not, I'm sure the ingredients are listed on his website. Like I said, I hadn't smelled it yet, so and I hadn't used it. I got my premium OmniShaver sitting in a bowl of hot water right now, and I figured that this morning was a good time for a shave. I got probably about a 4-day growth, maybe 4 or 5, something like that. I don't know. But let's get started. First, I'm going to open it up and smell it. Well, it's got tea tree oil in it, and that's one of the ingredients. I can smell the tea tree oil, but it really doesn't have a strong scent at all. It's almost like it's hard to explain, almost like a lotion you would get for your hands or something to moisturize your hands. What I'm going to do is, it's in a pump, so I'm going to start it out with like one pump, just to see about the coverage, you know what I'm saying? And we'll go from there. I'll wait my gourd. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to need more than one pump with my big old head. But we'll see. And it's decently thick too. That's just getting it out of here. Alright, here we go. It just takes a little while to come up. Alright, there's the first pump. Let's see how that does. And it's not a shaving cream, so if I'm not mistaken, it's not going to lather. Oh, it's alright, I can already tell it's slick. But with my big old head, I mean, I think this, because that covered it. I mean, that one pump covered my whole head. But just to be safe, I'm going to do 2. I'm going to do 2 pumps. Just to be safe. We'll see how. I ain't never used a shave butter before. Wait, I take that back. I've used Dollar Shave Club shave butter before, and I wasn't too happy with it. So let's see. I'm happy with John. With the OmniShave shave butter. Always make sure you got dry hands, because that's what I always do. Alright, I want to do this non-stop and see if it works. Not bad. The smell is a little stronger once you put it on. But you can definitely tell it's still there, and it's providing quite a bit of protection. Of course, you might not be able to hear me talk if he's sped the shave along, which I wouldn't blame him for doing. Gotta tell you, I'm impressed. I truly am. I'm not a big fan of shave butters for some reason. I really like my shaving cream and my head slick and stuff, and I like to be able to see where it's at. Which this stuff, whenever you rub it on your face, it goes, or on your head, it goes clear, so you really can't see it anymore. But I want to tell you, it worked. I'm impressed. I like it. It's yeah. And you got some post-shave slickness up there. So it's going to moisturize pretty well. John, I'm a fan. I like it. And the smell, it almost smells like almost like a medical cream or something, because of the tea tree oil, but it's not bad. Don't get me wrong, it ain't bad. It's just not, it doesn't have that cologne smell like a regular shaving cream does, or something like that. I mean, but it works. It feels good. There's no drying up there. Usually right after I get done shaving my head's all dry. But it's not. It's done a pretty good job. John, I'm a fan of the shave butter. You did it again with another product. So I hope this is sufficient for a review. Like I said, I could read all the back label, but I'm not going to sit there and waste y'all's time with me reading it. You can pause it and attempt to read it, because my camera will not focus. Wait, hold on a minute. Let me see if I can get this to do it right. No, it ain't going to focus for me. So just, I'm sure the list of ingredients on the internet and all this other stuff and the directions, it's pretty much just water, shea butter, glycerin, and a whole bunch of other stuff that I don't know how to pronounce. Alcohol, lavender oil, rosemary oil, jojoba oil, whatever that is, tea tree oil, peppermint oil, cedar oil, aloe vera, and something else at the end that I can't pronounce. So, and usually I don't use things on my head that I can't pronounce. Usually I use soap and stuff on my head, and it's got a few ingredients that I can pronounce, and I'm happy with it. But I like the shave butter. Thank you, John. Thank you for watching. Good product.